DC07. There's two belts, one here and one behind the clutch, and we're getting the Torx wrench to undo it. And we took off the brush bar, and this yellow thing just pulls off with the clips here on either side. So there's got to be another belt broken here, because there's little pieces off the second belt. Okay, let's have a look here. I gotta get out this other screw, which is right in there. I gotta get that out, and then we can get this off. I got that screw off. Now I can open it up and have a look. And there's the other belt, broken. Driver right here. Should feel the clip. There's a clip right here. Just as it seems, I just shut the camera off for a second and then I popped it off. Those little clips aren't on the yellow piece. They're on the black piece. I'll show you them. They're right here. This clip. There's one on the other side. This clip. You just push them in, and if you reverse it the other way, there's the other clip right here. So what you're doing is you're going here and pushing it down. See the little catch piece there, and right here. It should just snap off just like that. You want to wiggle it for a second there, and then it'll come out. There's the piece, and the belt is broken here. The common belt that breaks is the one that comes off your motor, which is this one here. This one here goes to the brush bar. This one's good, so I'm going to replace this one. When you order belts, you get both of them. This one here, you got to take the whole clutch assembly apart. But I'm just taking the end apart. Torx number 10. You want to do this very gently. You don't want to break that clip. And this should just slide out. A little clip right there. Here. And if you wanted to put this belt, then you'd have to, I will show you, but I'm not doing that. But anyway, if you wanted to do this belt, you undo this little clip in there, and the whole clutch assembly will pull out. If you look closely on here, And you can rub your finger, you can feel the rubber where the other belt went. And if you can scrape a little bit off. But I got some sandpaper. And it's the thinner belt. And the thicker one is for over here. Screws line up. That's the stuff that came off the belt. I mean the pulley. I washed a few things in the sink, but don't wash the brush bar because it's got bearings. What I'm going to do is use a steel brush to clean it. The belt melted along the pulley here, so I have to scrape that off right here. I'll have to get an X-Acto knife and clean that up. I looped the belt around the motor, and now I'm going to push the mechanism into place right into here. I'm going to find that a little bit easier than trying to stretch the belt the other way. I'm putting this on, a little cover. I'll put the 3 screws in, Torx 15. And I'm putting this plate on and connect the hose back up in there. Now you want to run the belt through this hole here. And it just lines up on each edge, push it in. Snap it in. On this side. Oh, it's coming. Yeah, it's fitting in there now. If you look underneath, you can see exactly where the space is. This piece. And we got this piece on the bottom. Last piece.